this be fun, boy. T'entends pas ou quoi? Si, ça passe, ça va.
Ce soir c'est la fête de ma case. Ramène tes potes, des personnes au bon vibe. On va déstresser, c'est ma gamme. Jusqu'au petit matin, personne se casse. On oublie les soucis. On ne parle pas politique. On est ici en famille. Et avec les petits.
On est venu déstresser, tu me parles de gourmet. Tout a été géré, on va s'amuser. Je te parle de cigares, champagne, caviar. Tu me parles de belay, bangui, chapalo.
So my hubby is resting. I don't want to disturb him. And I'm going to take you guys with me. Hope you guys are enjoying my 2 days out here. I'm going to do my best to combine all of that content so that you guys can enjoy that. So while he's resting, before I wake him up, I got up, I got myself together. I'm heading over to the gym, as I said. However, I was not able to go on the slide. So I'm going to go to the gym, come back, get dressed, and then I'm going to go back over there. I purchased another day pass. Yeah, I don't care. I want to be on that slide. So if you saw the other video, I'm going to put the thumbnail up here. Today, I'm going to be on that slide. I'm going to take you guys with me as well. I'll meet you guys at the gym downstairs. I don't want to wake him up. This is my attire. This is my gym attire. Every time I come to a hotel, I'm going to always do my best to make sure that I can go to the gym. I'm heading there now. Workout time. So while my baby is sleeping, I'm gonna go downstairs. I hate that the rain shut the pool situation down. I need some ice. I'm gonna go downstairs and exercise and then come back and then wake him up. And then we're gonna head over because I purchased myself another day pass over there. It's beautiful. Hi, good morning. Good, how are you?
Between the thoughts, somehow I find you. I can't borrow time, I'm tired of trying. I can't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve. I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe.
See what I told you guys? Typically, nobody's in there. Nobody. Always empty. And I love that. Oh, they have my dairy. I need some more water in that. Anyway, let me get set up and go do a little. I'm going to use here today. I love the elliptical. Yeah, so your girl is going to use this for about 30-45 minutes. Probably do some weights, some cycling. Oh, they got this. This one here. Spin class, so I love that. Let me clean the bikes and all that good stuff first, guys.
What you got to hide?
I literally heard that you can get so sick with other people's. Well, I know this as a nurse because I did nursing, and it's just of recently it's been ramped up. It's important to make sure you wipe these equipments down before you touch it because not everyone wipes them properly, and a lot of people are getting sick, a lot more sick, like touching someone's bike that without cleaning it. So it's important that you clean the bikes more than ever before. If I not stress anything, I'm going to stress that to you guys. Make sure you clean the bikes, clean where the people were at. Like, let me show you guys a perfect example. Look at that. If you look good, you see there is dirty, slightly dirty. There you go. So if you come in and that person was sweating and you didn't clean there, trust and believe me, whatever you are touching is now on you. Okay, guys? So even though we were exercising and all that good stuff, you gotta clean where you are at. Because not everybody is clean. And a lot of people carry all sorts of germs and stuff like that. And you're not out here to get sick. Right? You're not out here to get sick even if you're on a trip. I'm just propping you guys up right here so I can get my shot. Oh, good morning. Are you going to exercise?
Yeah, I think I might hit the bike or something.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm doing the bike and then I do my spin class, but we can interchange, no problem. I'm not
Nice. Nice.
Yeah,
You got it all
yeah.
figured out.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'll do the treadmill later too.
Yeah.
Who knows?
I normally the gym is always empty, so I like that when I get to come and
Oh, that's nice, huh?
yeah.
Don't believe when you said to me.
You eat first before you exercise.
Not usually.
Right, I didn't eat anything as yet, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know what time it ended, so I
No,
grabbed the.
when I come in, when I checked in, that's the first thing I asked. I said, what time was breakfast? And they said 6 to 9.
6 to 9.
Yeah.
See, it was good
Yeah.
because it's already 8:41.
That's right, that's fine. I wouldn't have any breakfast today.
That's it, huh?
Yeah. No, because listen, I used to be 280 pounds.
Holy cow! All
And
right.
since I started being very disciplined about what I put in my mouth,
Yes. Doing better.
yeah, it just came off for itself, yeah.
That's it.
Just being very disciplined, that's it.
I know. It's hard sometimes.
No, it's not. It actually isn't. There's a lot of good stuff you see,
I
a lot of
know.
bad stuff, and I just choose the good stuff.
You gotta turn it down.
Yeah, that's it.
Turn down the bad
The
stuff.
bad stuff.
I
yeah.
know. Look, here's my lunch.
There we go. What is that?
Peanut butter.
Ah, it should be almond butter.
It should be.
Right? Can I tell you when I do the almond? You
It's
can get
good
it.
stuff.
Yes.
I like it too.
I just do it at by the public. I'm from Florida, so I live here. So
Oh, nice.
yeah, but it's other side of Florida.
Oh, you live on the East Coast.
Yeah, I live in here.
Silky little sleep. What you got to hide behind that silky little sleep? What you got to hide? Silky little sleep.
When you focus on yourself, you look different. Your glow is different. Your skin starts changing. You start feeling better. No one's calling your phone 24/7. You're not waking up to a million text messages, or even you don't even argue no more. You let things be what it is. Because at this point, the only thing you can control is yourself.
But what does that really mean? I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your
Drink water, keep your hair, your nails, your toes done. Spoil yourself with gifts, buy yourself flowers. Chase your goals, make your money. Travel, dress up, have a spa day. Have more talks with God, take more pictures. Stay away from negative energy and choose you every single time.
Something's up your silky little sleep. Silky little sleep. I seen it coming from up the block. Must be the one that you think I'm not. Let me remind you if you forgot. I'm not the 1 or the 2 or the 3 or the 5. Okay, you need space, go ahead, get your life. While you're searching, hope you find. Act right, saying you're fine. Read between lines.
Watch your thoughts because they will become your words. Watch your words because they will become your actions. Watch your actions because they will become your behavior. Watch your behavior because they will become your habits. Watch your habits because it will become your character. Watch the character because it will become your destiny. Do hope you guys enjoy this one.
Something's up your silky little sleep. Silky little sleep. Lines between the lines, between the lines. Somehow I find you. I can't bother time no more time. Lines between the lines, between the lines. Somehow I find you. I can't borrow time, I'm tired of trying. I can't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve? I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve.
I think I am done. Yeah. That was actually really, that was legs. That was good, guys. Oh, I'm done. Let me go up, take my shower, get dressed, and head on over there now. Yeah. Oh, that was good. Try it, guys. I came back. I'm gonna try it. Next time it might be a hot minute. Let me wet my body first. Here's what, 3 feet?
Yep.
I still got my watch on. Other hand in my watch. This is like 3 feet. Yeah. It's not deep, right? That's not deep.
No, this is.
And then I'm gonna go upstairs. I want to try. I came back for you guys. You guys said to go on the slide. I'm on the slide. Let me just wet my body first. Woo. Oh wow, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. Okay, I'm ready to go up now.
You keeping the hat on?
Yeah, yeah. Ready to go up now. Let me try. Can I tell you, it's my first time ever going down in a slide. Don't forget to grab my flip-flops, okay, honey?
Yep.
Let's try. I'm doing it.
Don't you hope you find act right, saying you're fine. Read between lines. I was born at night, not last night. I can't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. But you really got up your sleeve. I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. Something's up your silky little sleeve. Something's up your
I'm alive still.
You did it.
That was fast. My water's dripping. That was fast. That was fast. One more time. Yeah. Ooh, that was fast. What? I'm gonna try one more time. That was fast. It was real good. Let the kids go.
42 more spots.
Can I tell you guys, that was fast. That was the first time I ever went on a water slide. And first, almost lost my breath. Water went all in my mouth, but it was good. So I'm going back one more time. I'm facing my fears. So, that's what I tell you. Many times in life you may be scared to tape outside or scared to take that trip or to go by yourself. If I'm facing my fears, you can face yours too. So honey, you're gonna grab me from on top for the back of me? It's really nice though.
What you got to hide? Behind that silky little sleeve. What you got to hide?
I did it again. I love it. Oh my God, that feels so good when you conquer your fears. That is so beautiful. I enjoyed it. Did it. I finally did it. So guys, I did it. I came back today and I did it. You guys saw that? When I tell you I overcame my fear and I'm so excited. That's the only way you beat anything in life. You have to come and just try it. I did it. So now let me see what you're gonna do next. So don't forget, as per usual, if you're liking my content, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Shoot up in the comment section for your girl me, Star Pollyanna, where I bring you all the time all of that good, meaty, juicy content here on my channel. I'll probably go on the bigger one. The girl upstairs just told me there's a bigger one on the other side. So I'll probably try. I don't know. Who knows? Why? It was good. I love it.
But you really got up your sleeve. I don't believe it's set to be. It's supposed to be. I know something's up your self-lessly. Self-lessly. Something's up your